Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a daffodil. So let's start. Let's start. First of all, I am drawing the center part of daffodil. Daffodils are the flowers that mainly grew up during the season of spring season. These are yellow in color and looks very beautiful. Okay, now I'm drawing the petals around. Okay, you can see now we'll draw the stem. And now draw the leaves. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Okay, now we'll draw up some grass here. Okay, now I'm going to draw a small bug to make the drawing more interesting and beautiful. You can draw butterflies, flies, anything to complete the drawing. Now start coloring it. Daffodils are of yellow color, so here I am using yellow color to color the flower. Bright yellow color. Okay, so yellow color is done. Now we'll do some shading with orange color. Wow, it looks so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, now we'll color the stem with brown color. Now color the leaves with light green color. Okay, now we'll color the grass with dark green color. And we'll do some shadings in the leaves. And do some light green color also in the grass. And it's done. We'll do red color in the bug. And our cute daffodil drawing is complete. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.